Hello everyone, this is lesson number 22, HSK2, and let's start. Quickly repeat word from last lesson. 说话,说话, to speak, to talk, to chat with someone. 女, female. 男, male. 孩子, child. And 唱歌, to sing. And for today, the first word is right side. 右边, I think we remember something from the first HSK. 左边,右边. Yo, it's right. 边, it's a side. So 右边, it's right side. Left, right, it's this one. My book is on the right side. 我的书在右边。我的书 my book, 我的书在 is located or at 右边. As you can see, it could be 右边 or 右边. Let's see. I think both is also possible. 我的书在右边. Next one. He's waiting for me on the right side. 他在右边等我. He is, his dialect, is located somewhere. 他在右边. He is on the right side. 等我 waiting me. Or on the right side. 等我. As you can see, it's not clearly any clue for present continuous, but he's waiting. Here is just wait me. 他在右边等我. In Chinese, sometimes it's depend on situation. Maybe it could be implied, depend on the context. Next one, there is a store on the right side. 右边有一家商店。右边 right side. 有 has 一家商店。一家 it's a measure word 家 and 商店 it's a store. So on the right side has a store. 右边有一家商店。Last one. I stand on the right side and talk. 我站在右边说话 is a new word. 站 to stand. I think you can remember it's from, for example, 公共汽车站. It could be station, but here is a verb to stand. 我站 I stand 在右边 on the right side and 说话 and talk. In Chinese they just say it without any and, just 说话. I stand and talk. 我站在右边说话. Next one, it's be. It's a bit of grammar point here. It's to compare or than something. Just English version of taller. For example, this R on the end when we compare two things. For example, he is much taller than me. 他比我高很多。他比我 he is than me. 他比我he than me. He compared to me. 高 taller 很多 a lot. So here is he's much taller than me, but it could be 很多. He than me taller a lot. Or taller a lot, but 他比我高很多. It's in English, of course, it's better translate like this, but just for you to understand. So here is be to compare then. Next one, this book is cheaper than that one. 这本书比那本书比那本便宜。便宜 it's cheap. So 这本书 this book 本 is measure word 这本书 be than or compared to 哪本 as you can see they just a short version of 那本书 they just repeat the measure word but not the object so 这本书比那本书 or 这本书比那本 because it's already implied that it's true 便宜 cheaper so next one I run faster than him 我跑得比他快 again we can see I run faster if we see run it's a verb but for run of course we cannot say I'm slower I'm slowly than him I'm slower so we need adverb 我跑 I run but run how 得比他快 I run than him fast oh as you can see if we remove beta we just left 我跑得快 I running fast but again we cannot say 我跑快 we need to say 我跑得快 I running fast and 比他快我跑得比他 than him faster so 比他快 let's continue 我跑得比他快 it's okay next one she sings better than me 她比我唱歌好听她比我 so she compared to me or she than me sing 唱歌好听 good so but in English of course we need to say better 她比我唱歌好听 but in Chinese no better or no just she sings good than me 她比我唱歌好听 next one we already saw it it's 便宜 this character could be also read in another way I think 更多 for example 更好 but here is just 便 so 便 I think bien or could be bien so be careful if you use auto pinyin sometimes it could be dispel some words miss pinyin so let's continue 便宜 cheap so let's read the first sentence the things in the store are very cheap 这个商店的东西很便宜这个商店 this store 东西 things so the here is connected 东西 things from this store or this store's things you could say or things in the store 这个商店的东西很便宜 very cheap 很便宜 so you just need to understand the for connecting these things to this store next one I bought a cheap piece of clothing 我买了一件便宜衣服我买了 I bought 一件 one piece of here is also measure word for 衣服 for clothing 我买了一件便宜衣服便宜 you also could be 便宜的衣服 or 便宜衣服 also could be cheap clothing 衣服我买了一件便宜衣服 next one eggs are cheaper than watermelon 鸡蛋比西瓜便宜鸡蛋 eggs 鸡 it's a chicken 蛋 it's eggs so 鸡蛋 chicken eggs 鸡蛋 比西瓜 than watermelon 便宜 cheaper 鸡蛋比西瓜便宜 Next one. The fruit here is very cheap. 这里的水果很便宜。这里的 So 水果 it's a fruit, but which fruit? 水 that belongs to 这里 so as you can understand, it's not any fruit, it's 这里的水果 from this place, from here. So here's fruit. 这里的水果很便宜 very cheap. It's okay. 这里的水果很便宜 Next word, very also interesting. It's 可能 possible, likely. 可 it's could be, maybe. 能 it's I can 我能做什么的 Also I also can, so could be can. So 可能 possible, likely. Could be can, could be done, so or just possible. Let's see. It might rain tomorrow, also might. 明天可能下雨 so it's a possibility. There is a possibility that it could be rain tomorrow. Also, it might rain tomorrow. 明天可能下雨 So we don't know, we just guess, we just make a guess. 明天可能下雨 it's raining. Next one, he might be very busy. We're not sure. 他可能很忙。他可能 could be that he's 很忙 very busy 很忙 I might not be able to do this. I might not be. 我可能去不了 here's 不了 it's from HSK 4 or 5 I think, so don't need to learn it. It's just 不了 also you can see le, we know le, but it's here sometimes it's written 了 here it's just 不了 it shows us to not no abilities to do something, no way to do something. So 去不了 not able to do. For example, 买不了 or 说不了，睡不了，睡觉不了。So just after verb. 我可能 I might not be 去不了 to be able to do. So let's see next one. The answer might be wrong. 这个答案可能不对。这个 this 答案 is answer. 答案 is to make an answer, to reply an answer. So just here is answer. 这个答案可能 could be 不对。对 it's correct, but 不对 is not correct. 这个答案可能不对。Next one, 去年 last year 去年 we know 昨天 it's last day, yesterday, but when we work with the years we use a bit different concept here. So 去年 it's previous, last year. 今年 it's this year. 下年明年 it's next year. I went to Beijing last year. 我去年去了北京。我去年 last year 去了。As you can see, le because it's already happens as finished action. 我去年去了北京。So it's past simple here. 北京。 He bought a new phone. Next one, he bought a new phone last year. 他去年买了新手机。他去年 he last year 买了 bought 新 new 手机 cell phone. Or it could be just a phone, smartphone. 他去年买了新手机。He bought a new phone last year. Next one, I was very busy last year. 去年我很忙，去年 last year 我很忙 very busy. So it's pretty simple sentence. Last one with this. She started learning to sing last year. 她去年 she last year 开始 to start something 学 to learn 唱歌 to sing or singing could be also could be 开始 to start and 学他去年开始学唱歌 so as you can see it's a free verb in a row start, to learn, to sing. She started learning to sing. 她去年开始学唱歌。I think here's 唱歌 could be like a noun because he started to learn singing. Or he started learning to sing. Also could be. 他去年开始学唱歌。And the last one for this lesson, Xing. Xing, it's a surname. As you can see, on the left it's New, it's a woman. On the right it's Sheng, it's something with birth, something. I think when women give a birth, we need to automatically gain surname. I don't know about this meaning, but still interesting. Still, surname, Xing. Let's see. My surname is Zhang. What about you? 我姓张，你呢？As you can see, 张 also could be like a real character with some real meaning, but here is just 张 common surname, very common surname. For example, my first teacher was 张老师，teacher 张。And now for question particle, for reverse question. So 我姓张，你呢？As you know, for example, 我姓孔开峰 it's a full name, but 我姓孔 I don't know, do you have a Chinese name or not? You can write your Chinese name in comments if you have one. Or you can find a new one in some websites or ask ChatGPT for generating. I think it could, for example, it could pick you very similar name, with your real name. 我姓张，你呢？ Next one, his surname is Li. He's Chinese. 他姓李，是中国人。As you can see, Li, because in China, about 100 popular surname, and every person have one of them mostly. So you mostly will hear some very typical one of them. It's hard to gain a new one, to hear something out of this one, but because we used to have a rare variety of surnames, but here they're just 1 or 200. So Li also common surname and 中国人 Chinese person. 她姓李, her name is Xing. 是中国人，是中国人 is Chinese person, so he's Chinese person. The teacher's surname is Wang, and she is friendly. 老师姓王，很友好，很友好。For example, 我有一个I have one friend. 她的her name is 王佳宁，王佳宁。And her surname is Wang. 老师姓王，老师姓王。It could be 老师姓是王 also could be. 有老师的姓 or 老师姓 so it's just all variety, all is the same meaning. 老师姓王，很友好，很友好。So 友好 it's friendly, 很友好 very friendly. And last one, I asked him what his surname is. 我问他姓什么。我问他 I ask her 姓surname 什么姓什么 What is surname? 我问他姓什么 or 姓是什么 also could be. So 什么 is like what. I ask her what is her name. So that's all for this lesson. Let's repeat word from these two lessons. 说话 to speak to child. 女 female, 男 male, 孩子 child, 唱歌 to sing. A new one. 右边 right side. B to compare, then it's like for compare two things. Grammar point. 便宜 cheap. 可能 possibly likely. 去年 last year. And last one 姓 surname. We know 名字 it's a full name. But 姓 it's a surname. But 名字 also could be and a name and a full name sometimes. So that's all for this lesson. See you in the next one.